UNESCO releases the list for creative cities, and Lucknow is now registered as a UNESCO Creative City of Gastronomy. Now, gastronomy here means known for its food and the variety of cuisines that are made. Now, Lucknow is known for what is called as Avdi cuisine, and it is the 43rd under the 43rd UNESCO conference, which was held at Samarkand, that Lucknow has been included into it. So it's the second city after Hyderabad which is included as a creative city of gastronomy. Ninth creative city from India. There are nearly 408 global creative cities in 8 different fields. Now, these fields include gastronomy, literature, music, art and craft, design, media, art, architecture, and film. Architecture was added as a new field in 2025, and some of the cities from India, like Jaipur and Varanasi, known for art, folk art, and music. Chennai, Mumbai, Hyderabad, known for music, film, and Hyderabad for gastronomy. Then Srinagar, Gwalior, and Kozhikode for music, literature, craft. Lucknow has been added recently under the 43rd conference. Now, from Lucknow, what has been primarily the driving force is what is called as the Ganga Jamni Tehzebi, which is the cultural synthesis with kebabs, biryani, korma, and shermal. Now, again, there have been various criterias which have led Lucknow to be included into it. As far as UNESCO is concerned, UNESCO supports various major works which mainly includes education, science, culture, communication, networking, and maintaining international norms and status. So this has been a very, very important topic for you, highly important for your upcoming prelims examination. We'll include more interesting facts and figures for you. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining. Have a wonderful day.